Physicians and APPs face unprecedented challenges in today's healthcare environment. Many are grappling with burnout, often due to overwhelming time management demands. What if things could be different? What if there's a way to reclaim control over your day, your time, and ultimately your life? I'm Michael B. Ross, principal of High Performance and HBK Company. High Performance is a leadership and culture consulting company that helps leaders lead fulfilled and impactful lives. We've seen how our proven leadership principles have helped business executives across industries, and we're bringing them to you. In partnership with UPMC Hamot, the Wellness System, a one-day CME designed specifically for you, will take place Saturday, September 21st at 9 a.m. at the Lincoln Education Center. This comprehensive program will explore prevalent wellness challenges contributing to mental, emotional, financial, and relational distress. We invite you to join us for this transformational experience. Most importantly, we challenge you to take the first step towards reclaiming control over your life and your career, leading to a more balanced, inspired, and intentional life in healthcare. I'm Michael B. Ross, and I invite you to be intentional, be exceptional, and lead.